Hi, welcome to Yacht Video Boat Sales. This steel clipper, built in Holland in 1985, is for sale in Faro in Portugal. She's steel construction. The base of the hull is 6mm, the sides are 5mm above the waterline, and the deck is 4mm. She's got a DAF 105 horsepower engine, and she's got external cooling, which is the cooling shafts you can see running down the hull there. The reason the boat is for sale is the couple have parted company, and the lady has owned the boat on her own now for a few years, and she's just finding it a little bit too much to maintain and handle, so she's decided to sell it. She's put it on the market at a very attractive price. The boat is actually down in Faro, and you can actually get here with EasyJet, Ryanair and so on, normally for about £120 return, and accommodation can be arranged when you're down here. As you can see, the whole hull is in excellent condition. Right, she's ketch rig. She's got very nice bimini on the aft, covering the external steering. Radar. The full inventory listing on this boat with regards to all the sales and everything are on the website. It isn't exact because the lady is Spanish and Dutch. So the problem being is the translation of everything. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. The boat's overall length is 16.3 meters, and the tonnage is 22, and she has a beam of 4.2 meters, which gives you an idea of the scale of this boat. She's got 4 berths forward and 1 aft cabin stateroom. The 4 forward are in bunks, but they're quite easily sleep 2 per bunk. They're very large, which you'll see in the video inside. The cooling system we were just looking at there. She's got 2,000 litre fuel capacity, and she'll cruise comfortably at 5 to 6 knots. Now you will see that she's living on the boat in the yard, so there are quite a few household bits and pieces which are on the boat at the moment, like the satellite and so on. The windlass. I think she's 12 or 14mm chain. Comes with a rib. And as you can see, all the deck as well, excellent condition. Well maintained. Full solar panel array there, which you can see. All the full specifications are on the website. Mast braces there, very useful in heavy weather for dealing with the rig. This boat has cruised for about 14 years in the Caribbean and over North Atlantic, and I believe they've done some of the Southern Atlantic as well, and also been up in the fjords in Norway, and then now down in Portugal. Just have a look underneath the bimini, and the steering. The compass is broken. I believe one of her children broke it a while ago and she hasn't had it replaced. All the seat covers and the upholstery all in very good condition. They've owned the boat from new. I believe the husband was a designer and he actually designed the boat himself, or in conjunction with someone. I haven't got the full story on this, but as you can see, very well designed. Now remember, you can actually get all the full listing details of this boat at our website, yacht.com, and there's also links to the Navapegos boatyard where you can have a look at the boatyard. I'm going to leave you with some photos now. Remember to come to the website to see the inside tour of this boat. Thank you very much for watching.